Listen carefully. If you think productivity needs motivation, you've been lied to. The most productive people in the world don't feel motivated every day. They follow a system so powerful that their productivity looks almost illegal. And today, I'll give you that exact system. No fluff, no boring theory, just 4 rules you can apply today. Why you can't stay productive. Let's start with the truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is overloaded. Too many tabs open, too many tasks in your head, too many distractions screaming for your attention. Productivity doesn't fail because of low motivation. It fails because your brain is constantly switching tasks, and every switch destroys your focus. But once you install the illegal productivity code, everything changes. Rule number 1, the 10-minute start. Most people fail because they try to finish the whole task. Big mistake. Your brain hates big tasks. It loves small starts. So the rule is simple. Tell your brain just 10 minutes, not 1 hour, not 3 hours, just 10. Here's the magic. Your brain starts, and once it starts, it continues. 90% of productivity comes from simply starting. Use this rule today. Rule number 2, the one-tab rule. This is the rule that makes your productivity look illegal. One task, one tab, one window. That's it. No split screen, no background YouTube, no 20 tabs open like a cyber cafe. When your brain sees only one thing, it gives 100% power to it. This is why elite performers finish 3 hours of work in 45 minutes. Their brain becomes a laser. Try this for one day. You'll feel the difference immediately. Rule number 3, the 2-minute reset. Your brain is not a machine. It jams. Overthinking, scrolling, losing focus, all normal. But here's the fix. Stand up, walk for 2 minutes, deep breath, return to work. This resets your brain just like restarting a phone. Suddenly you feel fresh, alert, productive. Use this whenever you feel stuck. Rule number 4, the night before agreement. Productive people don't wake up and decide what to do. They decide the night before. Before sleeping, write only 3 tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, not 20, just 3. This is your agreement with yourself. When you wake up, you don't think, you execute. This removes confusion and gives your brain a clear direction. What happens next? Do these 4 things together, and something crazy happens. You become faster. Your focus doubles. You stop waiting for motivation. Tasks that took hours take minutes. People start saying, "How are you so productive?" Your productivity becomes so high it feels illegal. But it's not magic. It's not discipline. It's not motivation. It's a system. Follow these 4 rules. 10-minute start, 1-tab rule, 2-minute reset, night before agreement, and your life will change so fast, you won't even recognize your old self. If you want, I can also make